This guy is making over $192 per hour on Fiverr, and you can also do this using AI with just a few clicks, and I'll prove it to you right now. As you can see, this guy is filled with orders in queue, like 18 orders in queue, and he's charging $20 per standard animation. Each animation can be done in less than 5 minutes with AI, and if we consider Fiverr's 20% fees and do the math, it comes out to $192 per hour. So in this video I'll show you how easily with just a few clicks you can make animations like this and how you can make money out of it. The demand for animation is sky high right now, especially since YouTube ad revenue is increasing. Also, we will only use free tools, so you don't have to spend a cent before you get your first order. So let's go. So just to let you know, I've generated a similar illustration using Leonardo, but usually your client will provide you with illustration, so you don't really have to worry about this. And now all you need to do is go to this AI app called pixverse.ai. It's a free video generation tool, and you have to select your illustration here. I've already done it, so I'm just gonna show you again. And you can just paste a prompt. You can use ChatGPT for the prompt, but I usually use just a very simple prompt here. And let me show you what I got.
Before we continue, I need your help. The YouTube algorithm likes to push long videos and waste your time. I hate that, so I pack all the information in much shorter videos. Please leave a like or sub to balance my odds.
Here we go. You can look at it and judge it yourself. I think it looks pretty good. And best of all, it's free. So let me show you what else you can do. So I also tested another tool called Halo, which is also another free, very good AI video generator. And you can judge which one is better and let me know in the comments. So best approach would be like doing it with both and just keeping which animation looks better. But keep in mind, in the free version of Halo, it can take a lot of time to generate video. So with that, let's move on. Another aspect where Pixverse is better is it gives you some special features, like you can extend the clip, add AI generated sound to it, speech, as well as upscale it, which Halo doesn't have yet. So now let's talk about the most important thing, which is making money. So just like this guy, you can sell it on Fiverr or other freelancing platforms. I'll give you a pro tip. To stand out and gain instant trust, you can do like 5 animation scenes and display them as your portfolio. So I recommend doing a bit more than 5, so you can pick the best out of them. And this should hardly take you an hour to do. And you can even start an agency in the future once you have enough experience. That's it. Best of luck. Thanks for watching.